Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we disable vibrate on ring setting in your Realme phone device. Guys, you want to disable your vibrate on ring setting, so friends you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable vibrate on ring setting in our Realme phone. In this video, I will show you. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to disable vibrate on ring setting. Then guys, scroll it. So friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on your sound and vibration setting. Friends, then guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see your vibrator ring setting. So right side guys, you can see this icon. Friends, you want to disable, so friends you can disable from here. So guys, we will tap here to disable. Then guys, vibrator ring setting will not work in our Realme phone. So your phone will not vibrate while ringing. So like that guys, you want to disable, you can disable your vibrator ring setting in your Realme phone mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.